Want your Power BI reports to look perfect on any screen? In this video, I'll show you how to change your report page size, adjust canvas settings, and even enable scrolling for long dashboards. In Power BI Desktop, there are two main ways to manage your report page size. The first is the View tab, and the second is the Visualization pane. In the View tab, the Page View dropdown controls how your report is displayed. Fit to Page compresses all visuals to fit the page size. Fit to Width keeps the width fixed and allows more height, giving extra space at the bottom. Actual Size shows the canvas at its configured width and height, which allows scrolling left to right and up and down. In the Visualization pane, you can set the canvas size by width and height. This works only when no visual is selected. By default, there are 4 options plus custom. 16 by 9 is 1280 by 720 pixels, ideal for most modern screens. 4 by 3 is 960 by 720 pixels, suitable for older displays. Letter is 816 by 1056 pixels and is great for printing. Tooltip is 320 by 240 pixels and is used for small visuals as tooltips. Custom allows you to set any height and width you need, which is key if you want scrolling enabled. If you want more space for visuals without scrolling, leave Page View as Fit to Page and change canvas settings to Custom, increasing width or height as needed. If you want top to bottom scrolling, set Page View to Fit to Width and adjust height in Custom. For both left to right and top to bottom scrolling, set Page View to Actual Size and then adjust height and width in Custom. Experiment with these settings to make your dashboard fit your needs perfectly and ensure your visuals are displayed clearly on any screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get more tips on creating perfect Power BI dashboards.